Now, for here to log all logins in the drive, all you need to do is go to proxylist.com, no, .com, ignore me. And then for all the ones that are for that particular business, so let's say it's like Luxury Digital, you would just copy the username and password, etc. Go to Luxury Digital, oh, sorry, Luxury Digital here, login sheet, and then just if it's for LinkedIn, then just paste it here. If it's for emails, for example, paste it here. If it's an email address, normally I would do that. But if I obviously assign it to you later, then we'll explore that later. And then lastly, if they go to paperform.com, open their paper forms for that business. So let's just say digital. In this case, he hasn't given me his details. We're using our accounts. However, some clients will use it. So you'll see LinkedIn account email address and LinkedIn account password. Copy and paste both of those and paste them into here. When it's obviously our accounts from proxy, then you'll have a recovery email. And that is it. Thank you. Bye bye.